Hello, welcome back to my channel, Praveen Kumar Vemesi. Today we'll see one of the topic that is in Snowflake, does DMLs are auto-committable or not? Okay, so this is very important. So when you perform any DML statement, we want to explicitly commit a transaction or no need to commit a transaction. We'll see in detail. Okay, one second. Okay, first we'll see in Oracle database, then we'll come to Snowflake. See, I'm trying to create one simple table. So ET, something like CPRAVT, ID, number. Okay, so creating one table and inserting one record. Insert into, so this is my table, values one. Okay, so this is my data. I'm selecting the data. Select the star from graph. Now see how many records are there? One record is there. Now what happened now? I'm trying to roll back the transaction. See, now what happened? So see, once we roll back, the uncommitted data will be reverted back. Nothing but these changes will not be saved permanently. One more time, I insert one record. If I see the data, I can able to see one record is available. Now what happened once we roll back? Okay, see now no records will be there. This is normal RDBMS database. Once you perform any DMLs, I should explicitly control the transaction by commit. Okay, see once we commit, data will be stored permanently in RDBMS. So in RDBMS database, so DMLs are not auto-committable. Okay, so this is normal behavior. But we'll see the same thing in Snowflake. Does it work or not, or any other thing? Okay, see. Okay, now this is my Snowflake database. Now I'm trying to create one table. So T6 ID number. Okay, now, okay, let me insert one record. Insert into T6 values one. Now see data has been inserted successfully. Now see the data, select start from T6. Now see one record is available. When I put rollback, what happened? The record should not be saved permanently in my database. But you see what happened? It won't have any impact. See, one record is still available. So here point you need to understand is that what in Snowflake, so DMLs are auto-commutable in the sense like what? Once you perform any DMLs, the data will be stored permanently without performing any T. So that is committing. One more time. So in suppose like see the same thing. Let me create one more table or create or replace. So see now I'm trying to create one table. Now see no records are available. Let me insert one record. Now see now how many records will be there in my table? One record. Now I'm not performing any commit, but I perform a rollback. So the record should be reverted back. But what happened? Still the data is available. Here point is that what in Snowflake, whenever you perform any DMS, the data will be automatically committed. No need to perform commit in Snowflake. So conclusion is that what in Snowflake, DMLs are auto-committable. So we can able to override this functionality. How can you override? See, show parameters like auto-commit. See, auto-commit. Okay. So here see this parameter, it is true. So by default value and the value is nothing but what? So whenever you perform any DMLs, so the DMLs, the data will get automatically committed. So we can able to override. How can you override? Alter session set auto commit equal to false. Nothing but what we are asking. So you are asking Snowflake, don't commit the transaction once we perform DML. See, it is value is false. So see confirmation purpose. Let me create one more table. So T7 ID number. Okay. Let me insert one record. Insert into T7 values one. Okay. So this one record is there. Once we see the data, there will be one record will be available. Okay. Now see if I roll back. Now tell me what will happen if I roll back. So record will be there or not? It will not be there because we have disabled the functionality. Now see, there won't be any record will be available. So conclusion is that what? In Snowflake, DMLs are auto-commutable. So, okay, if you want to disable the functionality, we'll go for alter session, set auto-commit equal to false. Okay. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.